All right, so this is what it looks like on the street. Let me see if I can make it before, what's it called? But yeah, it looks dope. I gotta finish the back. Hey guys, it's the month of December, and today I want to get Christmas lights installed on the car. So we have a whole agenda to get things done today. First off, I just came back from a road trip, so the car has to get washed. It's like really dirty, you know, as you can see here, like all the bugs, especially all across the mirrors. But there's this trend going around that I really want to be a part of, the Christmas lights. So this is the vision that I have. This is a black car, so the base canvas is a lot easier to like do things. But if you could picture it, star right here, right, and the Christmas lights just go across the whole car. So we're about to head to Walmart, and this is basically going to be a tutorial video and a vlog at the same time. But we're going to go to Walmart and get the lights. We're going to go to Harbor Freight to get an inverter, and then I'm going to get this wash. I also want to get a tripod because in the last video, I noticed that, that a tripod really would have came in super clutch, especially with the angles. But yeah, so I'm gonna tune in when we get to Walmart. Okay, so this stand is perfect now. All right, so first I got the tripod, so when I go wash my car, you guys can basically see and get a better view. Here are some of the things that I went to go buy. So the Camaro is 15 feet long, so 15, and then 15. Obviously that's how you do the math. You times it by 3. What I basically went and got was a 42 foot. I know 15 times 15 is 45. I went and also bought an extra 22 more feet just so I can get more lights across the car. I'm not doing the roofing anymore due to the fact that I'm not paying 20 bucks for a damn star. But I also got tape. So what you're gonna do is basically wrap that around the car and tape it. I need to get an inverter from Harbor Freight, and that'll be it. And basically how you plug in the lights to the car. And I'm about to go get a wash right now, so boom. All right, so I just went to Harbor Freight and I got this. This is a 400 watt basically inverter. You would plug this into the car, and I also have an extension cord to connect to it. So from that to the extension cord is basically power from my house going to the light. I just read on the back of this, essentially all I needed was only 9.6 watts. There's a cheaper version that definitely works a lot better. It's basically more affordable and honestly the perfect option because it runs continuous 120 watts. This runs continuous 400 watts. So it's more than enough, but I'd rather have this than that, you know, especially since it has, I would say in my opinion, a better ground because it protects from low and high voltage, high current, high temperatures, and short circuiting, and the other one didn't. So yeah, halfway there. So we've made it to Waterworks. I'm about to get my car washed, I have a tripod, and this is basically the start. Boom. And just like that, guys, the car is washed. So I have to do it quick in under 20 minutes, so I just put it on time lapse. But this is the outcome. I'm about to dry it right now. And you guys are honestly just gonna see a quick difference, so. Okay, as you can see, the car is now washed and dried. It looks better on camera than what it does in person. Someone hit my car, like scratched my car on the other side. Legit, every scratch on this car is from another car. Like, look, a door ding, door ding, door ding, door ding, door ding, door ding. I just found this out. Someone just hit this and like scratched my wheel here because I've never hit anything before. So that's that. Like, I'm not gonna be mad, but geez, at least leave me a note, you know? At least give me a note or tell me like, hey, you know, I hit your car, sorry, accident. I'd be like, damn, sucks. But the car is still gonna get repainted and stuff like that. The car's gonna get repainted, new fenders on both sides. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the doors. Hopefully those could get like buffed out or something. The whole body's gonna get repainted, so I'm not too worried. But you know, in the grand scheme of things, it just sucks. Like, no one wants to get their car hit. But I'm gonna go to class. I'm gonna go to class and then put the lights on after I get out of class. So I'll see you after. All right, perfect. So basically all you would need is basically the set of lights and the masking tape. And I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm gonna put it in time lapse. So let me give you a small tutorial of how I'm gonna do it. First off, I'm gonna just unwrap all of this. You know, it makes it difficult to do it with this whole wrap. All right, so open pull from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the lights. Because the thing is, you still want to be able to get in and out of the car. So this is the sequence module thing, and it comes in what? It has combination, in wave, sequential, slow glow, chasing flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, and steady on. There are certain things that I'm not gonna do while I'm driving. Obviously, I'm not gonna just run around in town with this flashing, but I probably would do like either steady or slow glow or in waves or something like that. But nothing in like obviously, you don't want to be in the same pattern as the police. Thank God I don't really have them same lights. I have like blue, red, orange, green, and yellow, and purple. So the way I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna stick this portion. I might stick this portion like here, really. This is what I'm considering. Probably not the best idea. That is why I got the extension cord. Or I might run it through the trunk, because I don't know how this is gonna like. Oh, here we go. So there's this like little gap right here that I believe that I can probably run it through, and then I'm gonna tuck it in the hood right here, like. So basically, extension cord comes in through here, and then I'm gonna tuck this portion right here, just in the dash, or like just on the windshield or whatever, or even on the windshield wipers, and just tape it from there, and just begin. So I'm gonna go, and basically do, what's the smartest way I could do it? Cause I gotta get the whole car. So I can either go up, down, or I could just get this whole front done and make it go all the way around, since this is already my connection point. And then I'll use the extra light and just do the rest of the side if I don't meet the requirements. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna just start from here and work my way all the way around, and you guys will see it like that. So tune in. I'm putting time lapse. Okay, so this is the progress that I've made so far, and this was legit like 2 lights. So 208 plus the 100, and it just got my front end done so far. Honestly, I don't want it to be too lit. I wish I had more money and it'd be a lot easier. So what I am gonna do, I think I'm gonna cop probably 3 more of the big ones, and that definitely should cover the rest of the car. Because I promise you, if I've done this different, it's easier to go long instead of going up and down, because going left and right, like, you cover a lot more distance and you can skip over a lot before you go up and down. Like, going up and down, it shortens the distance up a lot. So what I highly recommend is just go left, right. And that's what I'm going to do for the rest of the car. So I'm about to jump in another car, go to Walmart, get some more lights, and be right back and just continue, you know. But I want to take a look at what it looks like so far. So I'm going to prop you guys up, plug the thing in, and see if my wiring connection or what I want to do is good to go for this. Oh, boom, this is what we're looking at right now. It's flashing. So I have the outsides flashing, so I'm gonna buy more of the ones that go on the outside. I like those are cool. And then I have like the steady ones on the inside. I didn't know that those wouldn't be compatible. It looked like the same brand to me, but look at it. And then I can already see it once I get the whole car. Like I said, I won't be able to do the roof because I don't have the money, I swear. But if I could, I would. I'm gonna tape this up and see, get this to fix right here. But so far, it looks pretty cool, I ain't gonna lie. I got a couple video ideas if I can get people's reactions, like going to Chick-fil-A or going to the gas station and things like that. But look at we. I'm not gonna drive it yet. I don't want nobody to really see it unless you like live in my apartment complex. But yeah, I'm gonna take another car, go to Walmart. I'm gonna get like 2 or 3. I'm gonna get 3 and that should be enough, like I swear. Okay, so this is how it currently stands. I talked to basically my sister. She told me to make this a lot closer. There's just too much space in between here, and I agree with where she's coming from. So what I am gonna do is basically make that closer and then get the rest of the car done. It's getting late. I'll be able to show you guys the final, but the daytime went away and I had to go to the store to get some lights, so I won't be able to show you guys the process. But it's basically the same as the front. You just keep taping and keep going. So I should finish this within the next like 30 minutes to an hour. So wish me luck. Hey guys, I'm back. This is where I currently stand. Let me see. I'm gonna give you guys a update so far. But this is how it currently stands. Turn the switch on. Boom. This is how we look right now. So once I get it out, I have the flashing lights. I have some more lights. I'm about to make this a lot more cleaner up front, the sides, and then the roof. I want to see how it withstands. So I am going to try to go to a better spot. But this is where we stand. I got the back. I might put the car in the street a little bit, just so I could definitely see what it looks like a lot better. But yeah, I wonder if I got to fix this. I can tell on camera, like this looks like it's a little bit too close. So I'm gonna go in and fix that. Yeah, it definitely looks a little bit too close, especially compared to like the other side. This looks like it's a little bit too far. This is perfect, honestly. Like if I could get this type of lighting again, it'd be great. But this is what it looks like so far. It's clean. This is what we're looking like. All right, so this is what it looks like on the street. Let me see if I can make it before, what's it called? But yeah, it looks dope. I gotta finish the back. On this side and the trunk. Cause like, obviously it looks dead and the whole section is like a dead zone. But once I get that all done, it'll look straight. And then obviously I don't have it flashing on the road because you're not supposed to. But I'm gonna go to the gas station and get some pictures. And this shit gonna look tough as hell, I swear. Well, honestly, like just take a look at it, dog. I'm not too bad at this. I'm really not. But obviously there's some things I do need to fix. Like I don't like the gap between these two. I could go ahead and fix it, or I can I gotta add more lights across the top. And then in the rear looks pretty good to me. Like the rear looks pretty good. I just gotta add some more in that little section. I can do it right now. I should do it right now, to tell you the truth, especially while I have it. But that is basically how you put on Christmas lights on a car. So I'm gonna keep it on probably till Christmas. I might add some more stuff to it, make it flash or things like that. But I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. And let's run it up.